Abdali Grammar School, General Knowledge 1. Lesson. Keep ourselves clean. 69. Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Today we will learn about how do we keep ourselves clean and safe. Self-care or cleanliness is very important. Cleanliness saves us from diseases. We should keep ourselves clean. Wash your hands and face when you wake up. Wash them with soap. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Wash your hands after using toilet. Take a shower daily and wear clean clothes. After a shower, brush or comb your hair. Brush or miswack your teeth when you wake up and before going to bed. Clip your nails regularly. Keep your nails short and clean. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.